From research articles to case studies, the SIPex website offers a wide range of resources. In this video, we will explain how you can quickly find the ones most relevant to your work. You can start by heading to the search bar located on the resources page. Type in a simple keyword and review the results that appear. You can also refine your search. Use the term "and" to combine words, like planting and tree, so you only get results containing both terms. Or you can use quotation marks to search for a specific term. Another possibility is to put a minus in front of a word to exclude terms from your search. With these search techniques, you can navigate the site more efficiently and locate the information that matters most to you. If the basic search doesn't give you the right results, or brings back too many, you have more options. You can access the refined search on the resource page located below the search bar. After entering a keyword, you can refine your results further through a range of filtering options. You can filter by geographic area to focus on specific regions, by forest type, by BEC zones, by silviculture phase and silviculture technique, as well as by values. Click Apply Filters to see your results. Alternatively, you can use the search options on the left side within the results page. Using these options allows you to filter by organizations, to see the work from a specific contributor, or to filter by tags, which resemble keywords. These refined search options were built with care to make your search faster and more precise, helping you quickly find the information that truly fits your work. Still not the result you're looking for? Navigate to the Help page for detailed guidance. The glossary is your go-to for understanding specific terms. Additionally, you can find more information in the FAQ section. If you've tried all these options but still can't locate what you're looking for, you can use the Need Help with the Problem button as a last resource to connect directly with our team. In this tutorial, you've learned how to use both basic and advanced search techniques. With these tools, you'll be able to navigate the SIPex site more efficiently and find the resources most relevant to your work. For more tips and guidance, join us in the next tutorials. Welcome to SIPex, your knowledge hub for silviculture innovation in BC.